Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can make money with Imprint. When you look on a popularity of Imprint and you would see it on Google the trend, you see that it's actually rising, that more and more people are using it. Now how the Imprint works. Imprint is run by artists for artists. We make gallery quality art prints at our studio. We are handling all the aspects of printmaking, shipping and customer service. So this is huge, so you don't have to actually do it by yourself. That you have to have inventory, like the storage room, and then also care about the customer service and shipping. All you have to do is to sell the product, like through the ads or having Shopify store or Instagram account. Now, our service is unique because you keep 50% of entire print sales price. We cover your materials, production, shipping, and customer service without the processing costs and base fees seen on other services. You can set up your own prices on art prints by adjusting upward from the default options. We also offer top profits to artists on other custom items like frame, cases, canvases, and cards. We will fulfill your orders from start to finish so that you have more time to create your love. Art prints, 50% of sales price. You see the canvas prints, frames, cases, cards, 5 USD and 1 USD each. So this is how it works. And now actually comes the question, how can I promote myself and things I'm going to create? Now, my recommendation is don't just use only Imprint. What you can do is actually upload your content to every single possible search engine like website. So when I would go Imprint versus, I got Society6, Redbubble, Printful. If maybe what you can do is to come here and upload, go to Society6 and upload it also here. What you can do is to go to Redbubble and upload your content, your designs, if you're an artist, also here. Now, that's really good. And then you just use the link and you're good to go and you're covered. Now, this is a huge thing how you can actually make money, and you would the huge advantage is that people actually search you organically, right? You can also open a print shop. That's pretty good. And I got this shop, canvas prints, and I can easily buy those. But my recommendation is that you should definitely use how you can actually market yourself. That's the biggest question for an artist, or so for someone who wants to create designs. How can I market yourself? So the first way, what I would recommend, is use subreddits in which you would share your artists, not your artist, but your art as an artist. So let's say that I would go to the when I would like to paint a dog, or to draw a dog, or I would go to Stoicism because I would do a Marcus Aurelius, I don't know, Marcus Aurelius canvas. So that's what I could do. So what I could do is to go to Reddit or StarCraft or whatever, right? Stoicism, and I would do Marcus Aurelius Seneca. All these, they are not covered at all, and I could make them. So that's something you can definitely do. Then what you can actually create an Instagram account and promote your Instagram account, or create a YouTube channel in which you will be talking about your journey. I'm going to show you this guy. He's making videos about how it is being an artist, what is crypto art. Look at this. 100 plus new YouTube video ads, and when you look on his stats and everything, he's doing really well. So you could create also a YouTube channel, and if you want to create a YouTube channel, I can help you with that. I got a course down below, completely for free mini course, what you should focus on when starting a YouTube channel, and what are important things when you're creating a YouTube channel. And I think you will, it will help you tremendously. But this is pretty much it, how you can earn money, and what are the ways how you can earn more money as an artist. So this is how you do it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Another thing what you can do is to actually, when you don't have the inspiration what you can create, you can go to AliExpress and see what is popular. You can go to Redbubble and see what is popular there and create it on Imprint or Society6. You can get a lot of inspiration, but my recommendation, don't do what everyone is doing. This is the biggest mistake plenty of people are making. They are just copying each other all the time, and print on demand is more and more popular late years, and there's so many people right now, and the most important thing is like to find a way that you can be unique, yet it's not going to be time consuming for you to being unique, and yet you can get paid for it. These are the three like most important things. How I can be unique and it's not going to be really time consuming, and then when it's not going to be really time consuming, how I can actually make money out of it, and how I can market yourself, of course. So these are the 4 questions that you need to like write down and think about it. Okay. And when you have it, like the most important thing, how you can market yourself and get your products out there, the best way is like, again, through the YouTube channel, through the Reddit, through the Instagram, even with the Pinterest, and sharing like who can buy your product. This is the most important question. When I'm going to create something, who can actually buy it from me? And then I can answer to myself that, okay, I think like when I'm going to paint Alan Watts. Alan Watts was a post-war philosopher, and he was also, he studied theology and wrote plenty of books, like a really great guy. And I could show him Taoism or in Zen Buddhism. Or let's say that I would again just paint Jung. Carl Jung was one of the best like philosophers in my opinion, or better say he was like psychologist or something like that. I don't know if the right term in English language. But what he found out was a shadow work. So what I could do is to paint a canvas in which would be like shadow work or like something with Jung there. And he explained that when you have a like problem with something, that's your problem that you need to solve. When you so care about politician that what he's doing, that it's so wrong and he shouldn't do it, that's something you need to reflect on and solve in yourself. Because that's a shadow striking, that shadow got a problem that you need to accept. So this is what really great way what he like created, and this is something when I would, if I could find a paint like that, I would buy it. So I would definitely do what people are looking for, and that's a great way how we can actually make money with Imprint. But as I mentioned in the beginning, when I explained to you that you can earn good money only because they are going to handle all the printmaking, shipping, customer service, that you don't need to care at all. Like that's huge, that you don't need to actually create your Shopify store, or you can, if you want to just have a Shopify store in the front or Imprint shop, and then they sell everything for you. So with art prints, invite a help other artists to open their own shops, and then you just like run your shop. So that's pretty good. Phone cases even here. Those are really pretty. Like for example, this one here. This is what was also a Notion, I remember that. And I don't know if she actually created. Maybe she did. But that is interesting. Like I remember seeing this. No, it's something different. Yep, it's different. But this is pretty much it, how we can make money. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.